how to fix Valorant disconnecting problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just type here background apps, and now just turn off the first option here to turn off all those applications. Now after that, click task manager, right click here and you will find task manager, then scroll down until you find Vanguard. Right click on Vanguard and wait, first click this icon here, and here we'll find VGC. Right click on it, stop, and that's it. After that, type here services, scroll down until you find VGC, and here right click on it and click start. And that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.